Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's CJ. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a yoke to your bustier. This is a princess doll bustier with yoke. So I'm going to show you how I fix this. So if this is what you're interested in, then continue watching. Let's go. Okay, so guys, this is our bustier without yoke. We've not fixed lining on it. It's just the bustier. So look at the way it's standing. Okay, so this is how your bustier is supposed to stand after fixing it. Okay, so that's our lining. Okay, so this lining already join it also. So this is it. Now we're going to start with getting the center of the both the yoke and the bustier, and we're going to place it right side facing right side. Yes, place it on the center, right side facing right side. You see, let it be at the middle point. Then we'll get our pin to hold it. Okay, you pin it down. Please make sure you get the center. You pin it down. Start pinning the center. You take it round, just like I'm doing. As you're taking it round, you use your pin to hold it. Okay, you secure it with your pin, just like I'm doing. Okay, please while pinning it down, make sure both the bustier and the yoke, that's the tip of it, make sure they are equal. None is longer than the other one. Okay, so you pin it down. Now the reason why you are securing with your pin is so that while sewing it won't shift. Okay, you won't have to make mistake. Imagine losing a yoke after sewing it to the bustier. It will be very stressful. So now we are done pinning it down. We are going to sew it just the way we pin it. Okay, so let's start sewing. Okay, so have it in mind that while you sew, you take off the pins. Please take off the pins and so that you won't sew on the pins. If you sew on the pins, you end up breaking your machine needle. So just like I'm doing, you sew and remove your pins. Okay, and as you're sewing, make sure the yoke does not shift. Okay, so if there is any need, you adjust it with your hand so that you have a good finishing after sewing. So this is it. Okay, so we are done with that side. Take off the remaining pins. Okay, so this is what it looks like. See, it's coming out fine, right? Isn't it beautiful? It is. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to fix the yoke to the other side of the bustier. Okay, so just like we did on the other side, we're also going to take our pin and pin it round. Just make sure the centers align, both the yoke and the bustier, that the centers align. Then you use your pin to hold it down. Okay, just like I'm doing. Please, if you have not subscribed, do wait to subscribe to this channel. Always drop your questions in the comment section. I'm going to answer it. Okay, and for those that have subscribed, thank you for always watching. Thank you so much. So this is it. Pin it down. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've not sewn it though, and it's already looking this fine. Okay, so you see, now we're going to sew it. You push everything inside. Okay, we're going to sew it straight. Okay, so you sew. Why you sew, remove your pins please, so that it won't break your machine needle, and that will be very dangerous. So this is it. As you remove the pins, you arrange it with your hands, making sure that both the yoke and the bustier are equal. Okay, that's the tip, that they are both equal. Okay, so this is it. When you get to that center, you need to be very careful while sewing that center. You know, there is we made it a sweetheart neckline. That's the center, just little sweetheart. So you need to be very, very careful there, so that you be able to get it right. Okay, so we're done with this. Okay, so this is it. Removing the other pin. So this is what our bustier with yoke looks like. You see how it's well seated. There is no folding, nothing, nothing. Okay, so yours should also look like this after fixing it. So the next thing we are going to do now is to get our lining. Let me show you guys how to fix the lining to it. So get our lining, you move your yoke to the back. That's just the way I'm doing it. You don't push it inside, take it backward. See the way I'm doing it. Okay. Then you place your lining right side facing right side on the bustier. The right side of the lining facing the right side of the bustier. You place it on it. Okay. You see me shifting my yoke. Then you place it. Make sure the two center points are meeting. Okay. Then use your pin to hold it down. That's the center point. Okay. When you hold it down, now we have to sew, but before then, have it in mind that any stitch we are going to run will be under the first stitch. Yes. See the first stitch. The next stitch we are going to run will be under it. Okay. So now I'm going to attach my hemming gum. I always use hemming gum to do this, so that when I iron it, everything will relax. Okay, I think I forgot to start with the hemming gum, but eventually, this is it. Eventually, I remembered, and so why I normally fuse this hemming gum to it is that that edge, when I turn the lining inside and I iron it, it will relax on its own. I will not need to start tacking it or anything. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but you see, if you use this method, you notice that after sewing, when you iron it, that edge, that space where you fix the yoke and the lining, it will relax. You won't have the lining puffing out. Okay, so this is it. Then I'll just place the hemming gum. I'll place it on that spot where I'm sewing. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, making sure you arrange everything that all equal, both the lining and the bustier. Okay, so now we're done sewing. So turn to the other side, do the same thing. Okay, I think now you get a clearer picture of how I'm fixing the hemming gum on it. So this is it, just place it under it like that. Okay, see, I'm making sure everything is equal. Then I will sew also from the middle to the other side. Okay, it's very simple. Remember, whatever you're sewing have to be under the first stitch you already made. I don't know if you remember. Yes, So this is it. You see, as I'm sewing, I'm adjusting it, making sure the yoke enters properly. Like I'm not sewing on the yoke. Okay, this is it. Okay, okay. This is very, very simple. So this is it. Now we are done. The next thing we are going to do, I'm going to notch. See, I'm notching it. Please don't cut your stitch. Don't cut your thread. That place is sewn. Don't cut it. You're just going to notch the tip of that area. Okay, just like I'm doing. See what I'm doing? I'm not cutting across the thread that I've already sewn. Okay, so we are almost done. Just look at, it's very, very simple. Okay, so we have to turn it to the other side now. So you see our yoke is on its own. We didn't sew on it. So you see what it looks like. So this is it. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Do it to like and share this video, okay? So this is what it looks like. So all I have to do now is to, later I'll take it to the table, I'll iron it, and I'll just pipe the neck round. That is it. Okay, so you see how the inside is looking, very neat. There is no stitching, you're not seeing any sewing, no thread. It's very, very neat. So this is how yours is supposed to be. This is how yours is supposed to be looking when you're done sewing. So please, when you're done with yours, you can tell me if you got it right. If you have any questions, you can still ask. Okay, so thank you so much. So this is the outcome. This is the final look. See how it's looking, very beautiful. Okay, so thank you for watching, and God bless you. See you guys next time.